Talk about a mess to clean up, and these trees are not long for this world. And you know what? North Carolina has a lot of big trees. There was actually 2 more buildings on the end. Was it up there or here?
There was one on either end.
Oh, okay.
Where they kind of scooped the dirt up there.
All right, so I guess there was a building on both ends, this end and the other end, that came apart and went down the river. Huh. This stuff probably came from 20 miles east of here. There's a driveway. This gentleman passing me right here lives right here, and there's a driveway right there. Talk about war-torn. What a disaster. Good Lord. A mountain of debris. Somebody needs to build a big portable furnace. A lot of 3/4 inch plywood. Somebody needs to build a big furnace. Take a 966 cat loader. Great big house down off to my right. The guy I was just talking to said the water up here, 8 feet. Can you imagine? Like that river's down there. It don't look like it right there. It looks like 10 or 12 feet, and it's not. From that road surface over there, which is kind of a new road now, down to the water has got to be 20, 25 feet. And it was 8 feet above the bank where I'm standing. Well, I don't know how deep this was to start with, but that's a lot of water, a lot of damage. This is Brad, SharpensBest.com, your action roving reporter.